Hey guys, this is Miss Hollenbaugh. We're going to work on today the 2-digit times 1 digit. It's just kind of a warm up, and then we'll go into 2-digit times 2-digit to get ready for the rest of the week. So we're going to start with just the basic 27 times 4. When you have a multi-digit on top with a single digit on the bottom, you always go to the ones place first and then work your way to the left. So the first problem I would do is 4 times 7. I know that that is 28, so I would write the 8 at the bottom, and I would carry the 2. Then I'm ready to go to the tens place. So now I'm going to do 4 times 2 equals 8, and then I'm going to add the 2 that I carried for a total of 10. So the final answer would be 108. Now, moving on to our 2-digit times 2-digit warm-up. I'm going to show you both ways. They're in your journals. You can look at that to help you, and then you can also use this video. We're going to do the same problem using the standard algorithm or the circle scratch, and then I'm going to show you again with the same problem using the break apart or distributive property. So let's say I have 36 times 54. For the standard algorithm, what you always want to do first is circle the number that's in the ones place on your bottom factor. We're going to multiply the first factor times that number. So I'm going to do 4 times 6, which is 24. Carry that 2. 4 times 3 is 12, plus 2 is 14. Next, I'm finished with the 4 because I've multiplied everything on top by 4. So I'm going to scratch through it and then circle the next number, which is the 5. Since the 5 is in the tens place, its value is 50. So it's like I'm multiplying 36 times 50. So I will drop that 0, and now I'm ready to multiply times a 5. Make sure you go back to that ones place on the first factor to multiply. 5 times 6 is 30. Carry the 3. 5 times 3 is 15. Plus 3 is 18. Now all you have to do is add it together. 4 plus 0, 4 plus 0, 1 plus 8, and then break down that 1. So your final answer would be 1,944. Now we're going to take this same problem, 36 times 54, and we're going to use that break apart strategy to help break it down into smaller problems, because sometimes when you put all the numbers all together, it can get kind of confusing or get bogged down in it. The way we do this is we take the second factor and we split it apart. We take the value of each number. The 5 is in the tens place, so it's worth 50, plus the 4 is in the ones place, so it's worth 4. Then I'm going to make 2 multiplication problems with this. I'm going to do 36 times 50, and then I will do 36 times 4, and then add them together. So I'll go ahead and set up those 2 problems. 36 times 50, 36 times 4. Drop this 0 down, and now I'm going to do 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 3 is 18. And I'm ready for the next one. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 3 is 12, plus 2 is 14. Now I'm ready to add them together. Notice I get the same exact answer. You can also notice that both of these products are the same 2 that I got up here. Either strategy works as long as you're doing the multiplication correctly. You can use either one in my class. It doesn't matter to me as long as you feel comfortable with the process. If you have trouble with your homework tonight, you can come see me before school or during recess tomorrow, and we will try to go over it and get you to where you understand it. Remember, we're going to be working on these skills all week and adding on to them, so it's important that you put the time in now to make sure you fully understand it. Well, good luck, and I will see you in class tomorrow. I just need to make